It's a common scene replayed in millions of homes every night. A peaceful bedroom, a soft lamp, the gentle rise and fall of someone's chest as they drift off to sleep. We see sleep as a time of rest and recovery, a time when our bodies, especially our hearts, finally get a break. But what if I told you that for many of us, something we do every single night, without a second thought, is silently putting a strain on our most vital organ? Doctors are now highlighting a critical mistake that weakens the heart while we sleep, and most people are completely unaware it's even happening. This isn't about nightmares or late-night snacks. It's about a fundamental aspect of our sleep environment, a subtle but constant stressor that works against our body's natural state of rest. As you lie in bed, your heart rate should slow down, your blood pressure should drop, and your entire cardiovascular system should enter a low-demand state. This nightly dip is essential for long-term heart health. It repairs tissues, reduces inflammation, and prepares you for the demands of the next day. However, a common, often overlooked habit is preventing this crucial recovery process. Instead of resting, the heart is forced to work harder, pumping against an invisible resistance, night after night, year after year. Let's talk about your breathing, specifically how you breathe when you're asleep. When we're awake, we consciously or unconsciously adjust to our environment, but at night, our body's reflexes take over. If the air you're breathing is too dry, it can lead to a cascade of problems that directly impact your heart. Dry air irritates your nasal passages and throat, causing inflammation. This irritation can narrow your airways, making it harder for you to breathe. Your body, sensing a decrease in oxygen, responds by increasing your heart rate and blood pressure to compensate. It's a survival mechanism, but when it's triggered every night for 8 hours, it becomes a chronic burden. The silent strain is like making your heart run a marathon while the rest of your body is trying to sleep. You might notice the surface-level symptoms, waking up with a dry mouth, a scratchy throat, or even a nosebleed. But the real damage is deeper and far more insidious. The strain is gone. Your blood pressure has experienced its natural, healthy nightly dip. This simple adjustment transforms your bedroom from a source of hidden stress into a true sanctuary for healing. It's a proactive step you can take right now. You don't need a prescription. You just need to recognize that the quality of the air you breathe is as important as the quality of the food you eat or the exercise you get. Your body is a finely tuned system, and it thrives on balance. By reintroducing a little humidity, you are working with your body, not against it. You are giving your heart the peaceful environment it needs to do its essential work of repairing and recharging. Taking control of your sleep environment is one of the most powerful things you can do for your overall health. So tonight, as you prepare for bed, think about the air in your room. Is it working for you or against you? Making this one small change can have a profound impact, protecting your heart while you sleep and setting you up for a healthier tomorrow. It's a simple act of self-care that pays dividends for a lifetime. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into living a healthier life.